about Scruffosaurus Rex over here. We're gonna fix that in a little bit. So a lot of people ask me what I've been doing as far as like working out and how I've lost weight, whatever. So I figured there's no magic to it, so I'm gonna try, very key word, and document 1 week's worth starting today. I've already done cardio, 25 minutes, but I thought of this while I was on the treadmill. But just kind of workout, food, what my schedule's kind of doing. And what I'm going to try and do is post like a summarized video, I guess. I'm sure I'll fuck it up and not do it, but I'm going to try. So here's the first chunk, and we'll rock and roll from here. All right, so on the weekend, I change up my order of food a little bit. And since it's 10 o'clock in the morning, I like coffee. So I'm gonna show you what I put in my morning shake. Obviously, iced coffee. A little bit of sea salt. Yeah, weird, I know. I got the high protein peanut butter. Protein powder and oats. They go in this thing, and then this annoying fucking contraption. Yeah. So here is the ingredients. 2 scoops of whey, chocolate flavor. Half cup of oatmeal. About 10 ounces of iced coffee. And a serving of crunchy peanut butter. And then the annoying part of blending it. meal 3 gets really exciting. Not really. And it's time to eat again.